one of our subscribers. What?
Subscriber Shane, yeah, brought it for inspection. A good truck. So you don't see anything wrong with that? What?
Grab my flashlight real quick.
Okay. Also, as you can see, our studio is getting good. We are gonna have, it's gonna be our podcasting studio slash my office. We had the guys come in and knock it out today in a day of work. Pretty cool. We're gonna have cameras shooting this way. As we record a podcast, we're gonna set up a table here and record a podcast here. Emergency exit. Very excited about the new office. Not a lot of going on though, right? There's not a lot of going on with that truck. As of right now. You gotta wash this, like bad.
Yeah, that's the Davco. That's the only thing that we saw.
Yeah, let's swap the filter though.
Sometimes you can get like a bad injector, and then we'll do that, like with the oil. It can push oil.
Yeah, it's right here. It's almost done. It's in the shop. Yeah. Videos.
Monday Madness.
We love Mondays.
Yeah.
So, rip mud plebs out. Remember, if you pull double puff, you have to have the mud flaps move as close to the tire as possible. Because when you turn, that pop is gonna rip it out. It's too short. And a lot of
happens with the 20s, like in the container side, right?
on the shorter ones.
But what's the difference? Like, to be honest, I really don't know what's the landing.
FedEx pops have a step down in the trailer for more cargo in there, and it's shorter, so we have that wall. And when you turn, you rip out the landing. Gear rips out.
Okay.
Thing. Yeah. He's right before we were leaving, he came back. But yay, peak season. Okay, so let's do a walk around really quick before we head out.
One of the first fun nights of the FedEx, right? Like the fun
I
nights
know.
of FedEx.
I know.
Shane right here, follower.
That's already fixed. Just gotta put it back together. Owner op.
Water pump on a.
That's the Mercedes you did the overhaul on, right?
Yeah. The water pump's leaking on this. It went out.
Okay.
Another owner op.
Turbo failure. That's
Pushing oil into the intake.
yeah.
One of
This
our glider.
is our glider kingpins. That's gonna be done tomorrow. Our Transstar not touched. Setting up a new one. We're going through everything here. We're prepping the truck for overhead. We did overhead. We did well. We have to check the kingpins because that's the one I drove and that's
Yeah.
shaking badly.
Freon leak up in the front that we had, so that's getting addressed.
Yeah. We can take it easy with this. Almost done. That's replacing an old unit, and that's in for the speed sensor. No, yeah,
Oh,
having issues. And then I wonder if we could.
really good advice, but who knows, you know.
Yeah, I know. We got some secrets. But that's it. That's crazy Mondays, or I don't know. I'm gonna come up with something for
Mondays
this.
and Tuesdays for sure.
The office / studio upstairs, super cool. We don't have anything outside, do we?
No, that's it.
Well, other than the 2 that they just delivered.
Yeah, they dropped them off in the afternoon, right?
This one, nothing, just prep, I think, for new driver. 2 new ones, I already shot that. Checking for somebody if it's worth. I think you already bought it, didn't you?
He did buy it.
Yeah, so it's kind of
So
before you
2003.
buy it, bring it, not when you buy it. So with a Volvo engine in it.
Yeah. Yep.
Okay. Fuel line issue on that Volvo, and then ladder waiting to be used and sold, and then sold. So let's go home.
Let's go.
All right, subscribe, share, and we'll talk to you soon.